also is one of the first ways people learn to say because in Korean. If you don't know how to use also yet, I will explain in the description below. So if you need to, pause the video and go and read that now. There are a few common mistakes that people make when using also. In this video, I will identify 3 of these mistakes and teach you how to fix them. Number 1. Getting the order wrong. In English, because comes before the reason why something happens. Because I overslept, I was late for school. Or I was late for school because I overslept. In Korean, when using also, you have to put the reason for the effect first. 늦잠 자서 학교에 지각했어요. Because of the order of this sentence, it's helpful to think of also as therefore rather than because. I overslept, therefore I was late for school. Number 2. Using also to make suggestions, requests, propositions, or to give orders. also can't be used with expressions like 을까요, 읍시다, or 으세요. For example, you can't say 날씨가 좋아서 공원에 갈까? Shall we go to the park because the weather is nice? Because that would be making a suggestion. Also, you can't say 지금 바빠서 나중에 다시 전화해 주세요. Please call me again later because I'm busy at the moment. Because that would be making a request. To make this kind of a sentence, you would have to use another way of saying because such as 으니까. 날씨가 좋으니까 공원에 갈까? 지금 바쁘니까 나중에 다시 전화해 주세요. Number 3. Adding tense. also is always tenseless, so if you want to say something like my stomach hurts because I ate a lot. Don't change the verb to eat, 먹다, to the past tense. 밥을 많이 먹었어서 배가 아파요 is incorrect because 먹었어 is the past tense form of 먹다, to eat. The correct way to say this sentence is 밥을 많이 먹어서 배가 아파요. Also, you can't say a sentence like 이 옷이 예쁘겠어서 입고 싶어요. Because 예쁘겠어 is a future tense form. The right way to say it would be 이 옷이 예뻐서 입고 싶어요. I want to wear this outfit because it's going to be pretty. And that's it. 3 common mistakes with also that you can avoid in the future. See you next time!